Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm doing a honest review on Sage essential oils. Sage is a brand that I don't remember if I worked with or if I just purchased from a couple of years ago. I can link that video down below, but I have tried the brand. I really like their peppermint halo. It's like a headache roller. They have a lot of pre-made diluted rollers and things that are ready to use. I think overall it's a good brand, and we're just going to go through their website like I usually do for these reviews and just show you what I look for when I'm going to start using an essential oil company. So let me share their website with you. So this is their website. It's saje.com. This is a Canadian company. And so the thing with them is that their wording and their labeling and stuff like that is going to be a little bit different because they are not a US company. So that's just something to consider when just looking and reading their bottles and things like that. So they do have a few different kinds of products. So they have diffuser blends, they have kits, they have roll-ons, which I think their essential oil like roller and kits are what they focus on. They also have some room sprays, home cleaning, home care kit, and then some body care and skin care. So we like when a brand has a lot of different products like that because it just makes it easy, especially if you're not a DIY person. But let's just, and they also, I really like this when brands have a concerns list right here or different kind of, different things that you would need essential oils for. So I like that they have this pain, sleep, stress, mind, cold and cough, energy, seasonal, gut, which gut is interesting. I'm going to go to that. And then they have kits. So let's see what the gut, relief from nausea, digestive function and ease of stomach, discomforts after meal. Cool. So I love this. So I've used this brand and I've gone through this website before. But what I really do like about them is they have a lot of safety information. They have specific safety information. And then they also have a blog with really good articles. So sometimes a brand will have a blog where it's just like recipes or fun facts about certain things. They have really good articles on their blog that go in really depth into research and things you need to know about essential oils with pets, essential oils with kids, and I really like and appreciate that. So they have a blend called Gutsy. Let's see what's in it because we love an essential oil roller for tummy and we use it a lot here. So fennel, peppermint, Roman chamomile. Did we say peppermint, black pepper, myrrh? I would like to see, we use a couple of different oils, but using essential oils for stomach and digestion is really, really important, or not really important, really effective. So kits, so under concerns, there's also kits, which this is what I think they really focus on. And I love that because when you're using essential oils, you want to have a good, just like kit or whatever you're going to focus on using essential oils for. It's easy or it's nice to have it just all in one like this. So I really like these. This is a pocket pharmacy. So full body wellness, emotional wellness, physical edition, head soother. So this is the peppermint halo I was talking about. It's right here. It's super strong though. I would like to know their dilution rates because that peppermint halo is very strong. Peppermint halo wand, which is another product. She's applying it to her head. And then what is this? It looks like a diffuser or an inhaler. Stress release inhaler. So really like just seeing this, it's a super cute little kit. And then also these products are really great for what it's for. I love that. Body recovery, sleeping, night and day. And then they have some kits with some of their other products. So I really like that. Let's go to their essential oils, get down to it. So diffusers, essential oils. Let's just click here. We want to go to a single essential oil. So this is rosemary. On the bottle, we're looking for the Latin botanical name, which I don't see it. They don't have a picture of the back of their bottle. It's $23, and this is a 10 milliliter bottle. So similar to Revive bottles, these are 10 milliliter bottles. That's $23. So let's just look quick at Revive's rosemary just to see comparison and pricing. So a 10 ml rosemary from Revive is $9. So Sage pricing is comparable to Young Living. And unfortunately, that's why we stopped using Young Living, or one of the reasons is because they're just too dang expensive. And So that's really a big con for me. Like I said, I like so many of the things that they're doing and I love their branding. And in Canada, they have stores where you can go in, and I've heard that it's just a really, really cool experience to go in, and they're very helpful and knowledgeable about all of their products. So I think it's a great company. I think they're charging too much though, just straight up and honest, because they don't even share their test results on their website that I have found. Maybe you can go and dig and ask customer service, but I don't want to have to do that because there are too many great brands that you don't have to do that for. And I just think as an essential oil company, at this point, you need to just have your test results on your website. It's easy enough to do, and it's just a layer of transparency. Now, they do say they test their essential oils. So anyways, so we went over pricing and testing. I will look and see if we can find even some information about their testing, but so far I haven't. So they have suggested uses, which I really like this. So adults add 5 to 25 drops to carrier oil. So that's a big range of dilution percentage, but it's on there nonetheless. Different uses, massage, 2 teaspoons. So this is interesting. So for massage, we generally use a larger percentage because it's a localized, usually like tension or a specific thing. So just looking at it from my perspective as an aromatherapist, this is really low. So 2 drops to 4 teaspoons of carrier oil, when up here it's saying add 5 to 25 drops to 2 teaspoons of carrier oil. So that's kind of wonky just for me looking at it. But anyways, add 5 to 10 drops to your diffuser. Less is more, like that. At a store, it's really good. Oh, practices for pregnancy and breastfeeding. So right here, please refer to our blog, and let's do that. So product recommendations for new and expectant mothers. So they have a pregnancy blog. They have a using essential oils with kids and then pets that I've seen so far, and I really like that. Best practices for pets. See, the blog post is there. Keep out of reach of pets. So really good safety information. I'm going to go to oil I always go to make sure they have specific safety information. So bergamot, which is an essential oil that's phototoxic. So if you put it on and go into the sun, it's going to create a reaction on your skin. Bergamot is sweet, euphoric, and very aromatic. Encourages nurtured, balanced. So, oops. This is kind of hard to scroll through this. So phototoxic, if accidental skin contact occurs, do not use tanning beds for 3 to 4 days, which is a long time. It's usually 24 hours, but cool. They have specifics, so it's not just a general safety blip there. So learn tab, we always look for, and also the pricing isn't the same all the way across the board. That's important. Which oils are obtained differently and they're priced differently. So they shouldn't all be $9, if that makes sense. Learn, they have a story, learn more blog, which I already said was really helpful, FAQ and career. So we'll go to learn more. I'm just looking for quality of their essential oils info here. 100% natural essential oils are, so really that just goes without saying. Our story, I think that's the one we just saw. Let's see, ingredient safety data disclosure. This is different than from what I've seen, and it might just be because this is a Canadian company, but I don't know what this number means. So S, these are the blends, and then it's telling you what's in each essential or each blend, which is great. I like that. These are all essential oil blends. They have a ton of blends. Room sprays. And then it's giving you the list of all the ingredients. So that's cool. That's transparent. I like that. I'm just not seeing like the quality of the essential oils and how they're tested. So they're missing that piece of information that really require as an essential oil or, essential oils, a company. So I'm just going to kind of recap on the things I look for. So I have a quiz. I think this is fun. Brands have this because you might not even know like what you want or need. And I'm just going to quickly like read what I look for. We're doing this kind of review and looking. So are they transparent? I think they have a lot of education and knowledge and research and they're sharing in that way. But as far as transparency goes, it's like, where are they sourcing their oils? How are they testing them? Where's the test results? I don't see that transparency. Do they seek to educate? Yes, they do. They have a lot of information on that, and I really appreciate that. Do third-party test? I don't really know. I didn't see anything on here about that. So that's a big for me. Safety info specific to each essential oil. Yes, we already looked at that. And then do the GCMS tests have dates and are they up to date? So that, again, I'm not sure of. So they check a lot of boxes and they don't check a lot of boxes. And so for that reason, I won't be using Sage. I won't be one of my favorite brands. I won't be recommending them. I'm not going to say do not use this company because I do think they're a good company. They just are lacking some things that I require personally to use an essential oil company. And I hope that makes sense. And just do these as just transparent with you guys and just look at their website and give you my honest review. I'd like to see their prices lower. Their prices are way too high. They're comparable with Young Living, which is crazy to me. And then without even sharing their GCMS reports or transparency on where they get their oil. So that is my honest review on Sage. I think a lot of people really like this brand and will come at me for sharing my honest thoughts, but that's just what it is. So let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite brand is. And most of all, let me know what essential oil brand you want me to do this kind of review for next. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.